Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation x divided by 3 plus 1 equals 4. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to find the value of x by isolating the variable. So, let's get started. To solve for the variable x in the equation x divided by 3 plus 1 equals 4, the first step is to isolate the variable term on one side of the equation. Start with the equation. X divided by 3 plus 1 equals 4. Identify that plus 1 is added to x divided by 3. To isolate x divided by 3, we need to eliminate the plus 1 on the left side. To do that, subtract 1 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. Alter the expression on the left side by removing plus 1 and then subtract 1 from the right side. This gives us the new equation. X divided by 3 equals 4 minus 1. Now carefully subtract 1 from 4 on the right side. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So we have the simplified equation, x divided by 3 equals 3. In summary, the first step alters the expression from x divided by 3 plus 1 equals 4 to x divided by 3 equals 3 by subtracting 1 from both sides. This makes it easier to solve for the variable x in the next steps. Now that we have simplified the equation to x divided by 3 equals 3, we need to find the value of the variable x. In this equation, x divided by 3 equals 3, observe that x is being divided by 3. To reverse this operation and isolate x, we need to perform the opposite action to both sides of the equation. The opposite action of division is multiplication. Therefore, to isolate x, we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. When we multiply the left side by 3, the division by 3 and multiplication by 3 cancel each other out, giving us x by itself. Similarly, we need to multiply the right side of the equation by 3 as well, keeping the equation balanced. Multiply 3 by 3 on the right side. 3 times 3 equals 9. This results in x equals 9. To summarize, multiplying both sides of the simplified equation by 3 isolates x and provides the solution. Therefore, the value of the variable x is 9. This completes the process of solving the equation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.